Hey, this is Rocket Repairs. We are doing a LCD screen replacement on a Toshiba satellite. It's an L55-B5267 laptop. It's got Windows 8.1 on it. As you can see, the screen is cracked. I have it turned on. I am going to turn it off. Make sure you turn your device off before you work on it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'm just going to hold this down, get this thing powered off. Alright, it is now powered off. On this screen itself, you're going to see there's two little black, they're kind of like little rubber grommets. I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to actually take these out. You're going to want to put these back afterwards, so make sure you keep them in a good place. These are the one things that you seem to lose when you're doing a screen replacement on a laptop. So just make sure you put those aside so we can get this back in later, and you'll see there's another one right here. I'm just going to use a pair of tweezers to get up underneath it and try not to mess it up as little as possible. Alright, under each one of those there's going to be a screw. You can unscrew it. Put those to the side. So you can see that screw is now taken out, and so is that one. I personally use my fingernails to get underneath the screen. I would advise using, you can use something plastic. I wouldn't use something metal. A lot of times the metal will break. Most people just use their fingers. So I'm going to start around this edge and just kind of get them under there, and you're just going to kind of pull it up a little bit. And there's just little clips. You can just kind of go around and pull up. This is the camera. You can see right there. There's nothing actually attached to the bezel, that is what this is called, is the bezel. Most of the time when you break your LCD screen, you're not going to be replacing the bezel unless there's a crack on it. Alright, so as you can see, this is pretty self-explanatory. This comes right up. I am now going to turn this a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So you will see there is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that we're going to need to take out to actually remove the LCD itself. So we can go ahead and take these out now. Again, put those to the side. These screws are black. The other screws that were on the front bezel are silver. So you can differentiate just by the color. Alright, we got 2 more at the bottom. Take this off. And this one. This bezel is pretty sturdy. You don't want to pull it too hard, but it's pretty flexible. So. Alright, so I've taken all 4 screws out. Now I can pull the LCD away from the actual top of the laptop. You can see right here there is a cable right here. There's also a little piece of tape. You got to make sure that you pull this tape up before you try to pull this cable out, or you will mess some stuff up. So I'm going to take my tweezers again right up under here. We're going to separate this tape. If you have a heat gun handy, you can heat this up just a little bit and it'll make it much easier. Alright, so you can see I've pulled the tape back right here, and now we're just going to pull this cable from the FPC connector. Alright, and so that screen's gone. We're going to remove that. Alright, here's our replacement screen. This is the model number is it's a NT156WHM-N10. It's coming from laptopscreens.com, and the item number is 754773. Alright, so we are going to just literally reverse our instructions. I'm going to put this right back in here. We're going to take this cable, plug it right back in. Alright. Now I'm going to take that tape. Again, if you want to heat this up, you can heat it up a little bit, and it'll make it a little more sticky and adhesive. Alright, so we're going to put this right back on the brackets. Laptopscreens.com does put a clear adhesive protector over the front of your screen, so you can touch the front of your screen while you're doing the install. Just before you put this bezel back together, you're going to want to take this off. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these 4 screws back in, the black screws. And our last one. Alright. Now that we have those in, like I said, we're going to remove this screen protector. Put this bezel back on. Kind of just go around the edges and it'll literally just snap right back in place. Very easy to snap back together. Alright. Now we have 2 more screws. The 1, 2 right here, and then we got to put those rubber grommets back over them. And we'll be ready to test our device. There's one of the rubber grommets. There's the other. Let's go ahead and press the power button and see what happens. And there you go. You can see the Toshiba logo, everything's good. Here's the old laptop screen. Have a good day. Thank you.